Hi Instagram, I hope everyone's having a great day so far, but I wanted to talk to you guys about August, because if you guys have played this year, if you thought that quarantine stopped you reaching your goals, if you thought that anything happening in the world today was a hindrance towards you hitting your goals, that's a problem, okay? But it's okay, because in August, we need to make sure that no matter what, we are going to achieve what we desire by the end of the year. That's what I'm telling myself, because I understand that I cannot allow my circumstances to really control my future, right? I cannot allow what I see every single day to dictate what I really want out of my life. And that's what we have to all do as a collective is, guys, stop looking at your circumstance and continuing to live in it when you want to get out of it, right? Look outside of your circumstance. Look outside of what you see when you open your eyes. Look away from that and really starting to envision what you really want out of your life every single day. Every single day, even if you wake up and you have a busted car, right? Think that you driving that Rolls, because why not? If that's what you truly envision, you have to start thinking it before you have it so that you can receive it. Stop letting your circumstances determine your results. Don't allow the first half of this year to determine where you could be at by the end. Because understand that anything is possible, right? Even if you have not done what you need to do, you still have time to get it done before 2021. Because I guarantee you, if it's not done before 2021, it's a problem. It's a problem. By 2021, a lot of people are going to be in different positions. Very different positions. 2021 should really not be the same for anybody. Anybody. It should be a completely different experience that we're having in 2021. But we have to expect that now. And we have to start working for that now. Right? 2020, by the end of 2020, we all need to be in different positions. All of us need to be really working hard until then to get there. So with that being said, I hope everyone has a great day. Today is Sunday, which is my favorite day because markets open back up at 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're interested in learning exactly what it is that I do, how I retired myself at the age of 20 from making money from my phone, DM me and we can get you started.